Hi, this is Pankhurie and you are here with me on Style Talkies. Now, most of you may be already knowing that I love subscription boxes and I keep trying and reviewing new ones. And there's a new one in the market called IvyBag and today we are going to talk about it. Now, they launched this month and were kind enough to send me their first subscription bag. So, thank you IvyBag. I received it a week or so ago, but as I was traveling, I could not shoot, but better late than never, right? So, let's begin and make sure that you stay with me right till the end because I have a very special giveaway. So the bag came in this cardboard box, and like I've told you earlier, I always prefer my makeup to be sent in a cardboard box because it is very sturdy and it protects your makeup from getting damaged, and then it also has a bubble wrap film around it, and this is how it is. So yeah, they have packed it quite carefully. This retails for rupees 599 per month. They also have other plans about which I will talk later in the video. Now they send you products worth rupees 1400 or above in each bag, and you get deluxe samples and you get full size products as well in this bag. And I always love subscription boxes which send you full size products because I'm really not into samples, and on that front this is a winner. Like I told you earlier, they have 4 subscription plans. The first one I have already told you, it's 599 per month. Then they have a 3 months plan which is for rupees 1530, and they have a 6 months plan which is for rupees 2875, and a 12 months plan where you have to make a one-time payment of rupees 4672. And right now they're also running an offer where you get a 10% off on all subscription plans. I think that's how it is because the last time I checked the website it was there. So do make sure that you follow the link below and check out the discounted price. So this is how this bag looks, and it is very smart and sturdy. I really like the animal print, and it has IvyBag written on it, which I did not like that much. Maybe if they can have something metallic here and then emboss IvyBag on it, it would be better. Now this reminded me strongly of FabBag, which by the way is one of my favorite subscription bags ever. So I hope that this is as good as that one. Now let's dig in. The first thing that I see when I open this bag are these cards. So the first one is this welcome aboard card, and the second one gives you an opportunity to win an IvyBag subscription. All you have to do is post the picture of your IvyBag and the products in it on your social media using the hashtag #InMyIvyBag. And the last one is this refer and earn card. Now all you have to do is tell your friends about the IvyBag, and every time they purchase a bag on your referral you get a 10% discount. So that's very cool. Now let's talk about the products which are in here. So the first product that I took out from this bag is this Matra Kiwi Lip Balm. I have used it before and it's really very good. It is enriched with argan oil and it also has SPF, so it protects your lips from the harsh sun rays. It is paraben and sulfate free and it's 100% natural. It also tastes very good by the way, and it retails for rupees 199. The second product that we have here is a makeup product, and it has come nicely wrapped in a bubble film again. Now this is an eyeshadow by Makeup Academy and it retails for rupees 615. It's in the shade 31 Pearl, so it's a beautiful blue color, and blue can be used to create a lot of looks, so this is very versatile. Now they have also given 2 sample products. One is a body lotion and the other is a body scrub, and both of them are from Anatomicals. Then we have another full-size product. It's this body wash from Fuchsia called Citrus Blast, and it contains orange and lemon. Now this will be quite refreshing for summers, and summers are just around the corner, so this will be an absolute must-have, and this retails for rupees 450. Personally, I love everything matte, and that's why I was very happy to see the last product. It's this matte nail polish from a brand called Major Crush. Now, it strongly reminded me of Nykaa's matte nail polishes. The look and feel of it is very similar. This is a beautiful nude shade and it retails for rupees 199. Overall, I love this subscription bag. It's a total value for money and you get 4 full-size products. What more can you ask for in just rupees 599? And if you take a 12-month subscription plan, you get this for just rupees 389. So yeah, it's a total steal. So finally, we've come to the most exciting part, the giveaway. So I'm giving away this entire IvyBag to one of you. All you have to do to win this is subscribe to our channel if you have not subscribed already, and follow us on social media, and also tell us in the comment section below which was your favorite product out of everything that I showed you from this subscription bag. And yeah, you can win this. So I hope you enjoyed this video as much as I enjoyed making it, and do check out IvyBag, they're amazing. Till then, you can follow me on Instagram, Twitter and Facebook, and you can also follow Style Talkies on all these social media platforms. Until next time, this is me, Pankhurie, signing off, and do not forget to subscribe.